Hi, everyone, and welcome. First of all, my name is Robert Mardirosyan, and I'm going to be the instructor for our class. That's Math 136 Statistics, section number 3332. So the reason why I'm making this video, I want to go over the syllabus and the course details so you can watch this 2 or 3 times, kind of get an idea how the course will run and how you can succeed and get a good grade in this course. Now to start, let me share the Canvas screen with you. And if I'm looking around, please don't mind because I'm sharing those screens. All right, this is the home page. So probably when you open the course, you're gonna see this page. First thing I want you to not pay attention is the course summary. So you won't even need this. So please do not pay attention to that. The course is all designed in modules. So if you click on modules, then if I click here, the first item is the course syllabus. And these are all the topics in the syllabus. I'm going to go over them right now, one by one. And if you go to the course syllabus, or if you click here, it's going to take you to the same place. And these are the course modules. So now just be patient. Let me go over all of them one by one. And one more time, do not just watch this video once, watch it 2 or 3 times from the first day so you know exactly how the class will run and how you can do well in this class. Now, the first item, again, if you click on modules, it's right here. The first item is the course syllabus. Here I put introduction video and there's nothing there yet, but I am gonna upload this video, the one that I'm making right now. Now, if you want to go to the next item, you can click next, or if you go to modules, it's the welcome letter. Now, this is a letter I made. It's a welcome letter. Please read that, watch those videos. And again, this is Math 136 statistics. There is an introduction to statistics here. That's a YouTube video. And I think it's a nice one. It's a good instruction and a summary of statistics. So please watch this before we meet the first day. And we all know this is a 13 weeks class. We're going to start on September 20th and end December 15th, which is the last day of the fall semester. And it's short, but it's not 16 weeks. But if you listen to my instructions and follow and do what I tell you to do, then you're going to do very well in this class. That's how the course is designed. Now I have 2 other YouTube videos in how to use the Canvas, but I'm sure by now we all know, because it's been more than a year, we are in this remote or online mode. Next, these are the links for the college. I put them here, and also on the syllabus. If you need any help with Canvas, technical support, student services, or distance education, you can click on those and contact these people. How you can prepare and succeed for this course. We are going to have Zoom lectures, and all the recordings are there. I have standalone recordings, YouTube recordings, and I even last semester Zoom recordings. So everything is ready for you. And you have to watch all of them one by one to master the material. Then you have the reading material. You can use the book. I'll go over that right now. Or you can use my material, which I got it from the book, and summarize them and put, they're all on modules. I'll show it to you. Once you do that, then you can take the homework multiple times, unlimited amount of time. So take that until you get a perfect score. Do not memorize the answers, especially if it's a calculations. Make sure you know how to do the calculations because you're going to have the same thing on the exam. After you finish the homework, then you have quizzes. Take the quizzes. You can take each quiz a couple of times. And if you master the homework, then you can get a perfect score on the quiz. Course discussions are very important. That's your participation. If you don't understand a problem, put it on, and other students can help. And especially discussions are towards the end of the semester, and that's the sample final. At the end of the semester, I will give you a review or an exam. That's like a take-home exam, and that's the sample final. And if you submit that, then you can work together, but the submission is individual. Then you get 5 points for that, which is 5% of your grade, and it's 5 or 10%. I'll go over that right now. We will have 4 exams, and the dates are there already on the syllabus. I'll share that with you. The exams, during the exams, the cameras must be on, and I need to kind of see your hands, what you are writing on. Then we have my contact info. If you want to contact me, Canvas inbox. That's the best way to do it. Email it to the school email. It's all right, but then Canvas inbox is much straightforward. When I open the Canvas, I go to inbox, and if I check the emails, and I reply them, but we are gonna have regular meetings. If I need to talk to you, then we can stay after class and I can talk to you and make sure all your questions are answered. And this is an online or remote course. It's a hybrid course. Make sure to watch this video. It's a general video that teaches you how to prepare for an online course. And again, I'm sure you most of your courses are by now online or remote. So let me go to the next item. The course description, I'll let you read this. One thing, it's important, we will be using TI calculators, TI-84 calculators. So, and there is an item on that on the syllabus. I'll go over that. My contact info, again, I put it here. I'll answer to your emails within 72 or 48 hours, and sometimes maybe very fast. And not counting the weekend. Sometimes if I'm here working during the weekend, I'm in my office, then I'll reply to your emails. These are the school links, then I put it on the syllabus also, so you can just use them. Assignment and grade distribution, that's important. So we're gonna have 4 Zoom exams, and that's 100 points, 65% of your grade. Group discussion mainly is the sample final, which when the time comes, I'll talk about it. You need to submit that sample final. That's 5% of your grade. Homework assignments are 5% of your grade. Quizzes are 5% of your grade. And we're gonna have a Zoom final. When I say Zoom final, that means cameras on during the final and during these 4 exams, and that's 200 points, and that's 20% of your grade. No makeup exam whatsoever. I have the dates for all the exam. If you cannot make it to an exam, then that exam or your lowest scores will be dropped. So your lowest score will be dropped. You're graded on 4 exams and the final, and of course, the quizzes, discussions, and the homework. If your average is 90 to 100%, then that's an A. 80 to 89 is a B. 70 to 79 is a C, and so on. You don't need to do anything about grading because Canvas is already programmed. Each time you finish a homework or you finish an exam, you will see directly what your grade is, and Canvas will drop automatically one of these 4 exams. Let me go to the next item. These are rules and guidelines. And again, we all have to have internet, cameras during the exam. And I put during the Zoom meetings, your cameras must be on. If they're on, it's good, and I get to see you. If they're not on, I'm okay with that. But during the exam, I have to know to see, and sometimes I'm going to even check your ID during the exam. So please have your cameras on. If not, your exam will be counted as 0. No late submissions, no makeup exams, and if there is anything to submit, if it's not on Canvas, then if it's a separate submission like the sample final, that has to be PDF, one single file. Make sure to learn how to do that. By now, I'm sure you have taken a lot of classes and you're familiar with that. If not, get help from each other and learn how to upload a CDF single file on Canvas. So now the discussions, again, we talked about this same thing. The main discussion, you need to be active in class, but the main discussion is to submit the sample final, which I will talk about that in 2 weeks before the final exam, and I'll let you know what that is. And I put 10%, but actually it's 5% of your grade. No late submission, and we again everything. I keep repeating myself. I just want to make sure that you understand everything from the first day. The exams are if the exam is multiple choice, then no partial credit. So if it's written, then you will get partial credit. Email, again, email me to the inbox. Get used to do that. And here I put 48 hours, and I think I'm pretty good in replying to emails. If it takes sometimes, if you have a lecture, then I'll just talk to you after the lecture. Academic dishonesty. So this is, click on this site, and these are all the honesty, academic dishonesty or honesty guidelines. If I see that you're breaking that rule, then I will call you for an individual Zoom meeting, and I might give you some problems and you need to do it for me. If I see you got the answer right on the exam, but you didn't know how to do it, then I'll have to report you. So please, we know you're taking all your exams from home, and it's an individual effort. This is a good class. You will need the material in the future for your major. So, and I've designed the course in a way that is very possible to do. If you spend some time learning, then you will get a good grade in this exam. So if I report you, then they're gonna make it very hard for you. So please understand the individual effort. Important dates, these are all the dates. I brought them directly from the college side. If you need to check them, the last day to drop, or with or without W, you can refer to that, or for any holidays. It's right here. Student learning outcome, do not worry about this. We have to put it on the syllabus. If the time comes, then I will talk about it, but we don't have to worry about this right now. Let's go to the next item. The textbook, to click on this link. This is the textbook we're going to be using. The homework, I prepared all the homework on Canvas itself. So the textbook is a good reading material. You have the chapters, and if you want to refer and read those chapters, you can get the textbook any way you want. So, and this is again for you guys to see the textbook. So it's how you get it. If you can get it used, you can get it used. I don't mind any way you want to get it. It's completely your choice. So let me close this. Tentative course outline. Make sure to click on this. These are the chapters from the book, but it's organized on Canvas modules for you already. The date of the exams, we have it. Our first exam is going to be on October 18th. Second exam is on November 3rd. Third exam is on November 17th. And the fourth exam is on December 1st. It's right there. And I have it separately too. So you can follow this course outline to see where you stand, because you're going to be doing most of the work. These are the exam days separately. The first exam is the material in module 1. I will share that with you right now. And again, you have the date, and what we're going to be covering on that exam is summarizing, interpreting data, and probability. Exam number 2 are the material in module 2. And you have the date, and that's about probability distributions. Exam number 3 is module 3, which you have the date, and it's on estimation and hypothesis testing. And exam number 4 is the material in module 4. You have the date, and that's about multinomial experiments, and you are going to learn all this. I do have office hours each Wednesday from 7:45 right after class to 9:05 a.m. So if you need to stay and you have any questions, you can stay after class and I can help you. Our final exam is going to be on December 8th. So we finish, it's not even December 15th. December 8th is the last day for our class from 6:30 to 8:50. So the date of the final is right there. How to get TI-84 calculators. These are all the links you can click and then they might help you. And a TI-84, let me share the screen for TI-84 now. So you can see how that looks. If you want to buy it and upload it to your computers, I'm completely okay with that, but you do need a TI-84. And try TI-84 plus, this is the best. So that's what I'm going to be teaching the class, and there the videos are on this. So we're going to be using the stat package a lot. So once the time comes, you'll see. TI-84 plus is the best you can get. So TI-83s are available also, but they don't have all the features of TI-84. So I really suggest you to get a TI-84 plus. All right, let me stop sharing this. And share the canvas again. Now, if you go to modules, I did cover all the items in the syllabus. Then you have module 1. You need to follow all these items one by one and watch all the recordings. There's some YouTube videos helpful for you, but one by one, you read this. This is reading material. This is sampling method, discrete and continuous data. So you go over those one by one patiently, take notes. If it's a video, watch it 2-3 times, then take the first homework and take it until you get perfect score. Once you're done, then do the quizzes. Take quiz number 1. These are all definitions. Homework number 1 is about definitions. Once you're done, then calculations start from here, data analysis. Now you have some videos from last semester, but all the items have standalone videos also. Let's say if I click here on group data, you have the lecture notes and you have my own recorded video. And you have to watch all this one by one several times. And if you do this and check, and I also have the notes for you here for each lecture. So you can watch the videos with those notes and redo the problems and spend 2 to 3 hours probably a day, I would say. And you can get ready for the exams. Let me go to modules again. Once you finish all the lectures, organize yourself and see how many hours you need. So then towards the end of the module, you have a sample exam. You can take the sample exam at the end of the sample exam, you have the solutions. And also, you can click on sample exam number 1 solution, and also all the detailed solution which I recorded myself here. You can once try to take it first, then take a look at the solution, and if you don't understand, click on the video, do all of them, and you can see it solved for you step by step. I explain it and solve every single problem. And these are the formulas in statistics. You can always use that. But if you go to the next item, these are the formulas for exam number 1. So if I click here, and again, do not worry about the dates. These are the formulas that you can use for exam number 1. And I will remind you of those. So I think, and once module number 1 is finished, then we're going to go to module number 2 to prepare ourselves for exam number 2. One more time, you are responsible to watch and go over each item one by one patiently. And please do that. Make sure you master the material. And if you do that, then you're going to do very well on your exam. That's how the course is designed. We are going to meet the first day. I'll go over this again, but this video is going to be available for you during the entire semester. And again, this is the sample final, where at the end I'll talk about that. I think that's good enough, and I will see you the first day. I'll put the announcement right now. Have a great day, and let's have a great semester together. Have a good one, everyone.